Rolling.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an unboxing video. My Dreamy and Company Dreams of Velaris box came in and I'm super excited for another Sarah J. Maas box. Kiara had something she wanted to tell you too. Go ahead, kiddo.
So if you did see our first unboxing video, pause this one and go to our channel and find our first unboxing video. It's from nerdy.com, I think. Her first one.
Nerdy Post Tees, or Nerdy Post Box. Alright, so let's open this.
She has that cool knife to cut it. Let's show them the knife.
I will show them the knife in a minute.
I'm surprised I'm holding the phone so still.
Any of you Vampire Diaries fans may recognize the Traveler knife, but I've had this a lot longer than Vampire Diaries has been out.
Yeah.
So, opening it up. Maybe. There we go.
Oh! Do it again. Let me see you.
September Dreamy box. Dreams of Velaris.
That's so pretty.
Ooh.
I can always zoom in, you know.
It's from the Court of Thorn and Roses trilogy.
You know, I can always zoom in. You don't have to go like this. Oh, mine. Geeky.
Alright, crazy cat. Okay.
Meow. Meow.
First up, I have a pouch that says, "To the people who look to the stars and wish."
Okay. It's so pretty, actually.
It is.
I'm kind of jealous now.
Well, it's mine.
I know, you get such good things. Well, it really makes sense for me to have it unless I read the books.
Yes. Mini print.
Mini print. Do you love?
Oh, it's so pretty. We have Feyre and Rysand. Ooh.
They're kissing. I don't know who they are, though. They're
This
clearly elves.
is the High Lord of the Night Court. And this is Feyre the Cursebreaker.
They look pretty together.
Gorgeous artwork, signed Flavy. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I bet they could barely see it. If you can, then you probably have super eyesight.
Next, I have a wooden bookmark.
Oh, it's wood?
It's made of wood. And it says,
oh my god.
On one side, it says, "Don't feel bad for one moment about doing what brings you joy."
Let's show them it.
Just a minute.
Okay.
And the other side says, "To the stars who listen and the dreams that are answered."
That one, it's pretty. Probably my favorite side so far. Yeah, I like the other side better.
Yeah, the other side's my favorite too, but that's one of my favorite quotes.
I like the other one just for the color.
Next, we have a double-sided print. One side says, "When you spend so long trapped in the darkness, you find that the darkness begins to stare back."
I zoomed way too in. My bad. Sorry,
You don't
guys.
have to zoom. I'll show you. Next, we have the
Ooh, that's pretty.
Court of Dreams. Court of Dreamers.
How do you know it's
Hi,
for a
Daphne.
dream?
Because we have Feyre Cursebreaker, Rysand, Amren, Azriel,
no.
Cassian, and Morgan.
Can I show them the cat?
They look very cool.
Can I show them the cat?
Daphne.
Here's the kitty. Daphne, say hi to the viewers.
Daphne's too nosy.
No, show them your face.
Oh well.
Hi, everybody. I'm Daphne.
I have another bookmark
Cool.
that says, "No one was my master, but I might be master of everything if I wished, if I dared." And the other one says,
Ooh, I actually like that side.
"There are
I can
good
see
days
it's
and
pretty.
hard days. Don't let the hard days win."
This is my favorite side, probably. Ooh, they're both so pretty. I can't decide.
And "Don't let the hard days win" was also on the shirt that came in my Nerdy Post Tees box.
Yep.
It's a great line from Morgan.
I like that one. And it has little tiny bat wings. It's so cute.
And this
Is
is
lip balm?
a wax melt, I think.
I feel like it's lip balm.
No, this is it's from Flick the Wick.
What do you do with it?
You put it in a wax melter, and you put a candle underneath it,
Oh!
and it melts the wax.
Yeah, they have that Yankee candle.
Well, this one is called Illyrian Warriors, like I said, from Flick the Wick. It
Does
is
it smell good?
black currant, citrus, jasmine petals, woods, soy. It says candle.
Does it smell good?
It says it's a candle, but there's no wick. I'm calling.
Can I smell it?
Oh, that smells good.
Oh my god, that actually smells like it smells like a kind of candy.
It doesn't smell like
Smell it.
It smells like jasmine, and it smells amazing.
Like the kind of medicine I tried, that's pills, but I spit it out on accident.
That was great.
Yeah. Oh wait, oh. It smells the exact same as it tasted.
Next up, I have this adorable little pin.
I was gonna say, that's a pen.
Rysand on it.
Ooh, he's handsome.
Not my favorite picture of him, but
yeah,
it's okay.
I've seen handsomer ones.
Well, he looks better.
Yes. Looks cool.
And I have a keychain from Dreamy.
A keychain?
A keychain that says Night Triumphant and the Stars Eternal.
You know what would be cooler?
What would be cooler?
If it was a necklace.
I don't wear necklaces a lot, but
I know.
And then Dreamy and Company.
I don't wear mine a lot, but I have more than you.
Either
It's
way,
true.
that is all I have except more of the little shavings, which I just made a mess of on my bed.
Shaving.
Well, I think we'll leave Kiara alone to play with the shavings. But this box is amazing. It's actually my second box from Dreamy and Company. The first one was another Sarah J. Maas box.
What did you tell me? We haven't made an unboxing video of that.
It's because I did it before we started doing unboxing videos. Shame on me.
Yes, shame on
But
you.
I will put the link to her shop in the comments because Dreamy and Company has
Put it over here. It's oh.
The link will be in the comments down below. Kiara, move your finger.
Okay.
But she has amazing stuff. You can't get this box, but there's always next month.
Yeah.
And have a great day and have a great rest of your week. Bye, everybody.
Beep.